Do yourself a favor and add this to your kit. If you've ever had to jump rope on concrete, grass, or even carpet, you know the struggle. That's why I picked up the cross rope travel mat, and today I'm giving you my first impressions. This isn't sponsored, just my honest take after trying out for a few sessions. Oh yeah, I do have an affiliate link where you can get this mat just a little bit cheaper, about 15% off. You can check it out down in the links below, just in case you want to grab this mat after hearing this review today. So the first thing that you notice is it's crazy convenient. The travel mat is smaller than the standard crossroad mat, and it comes with the slick little strap that keeps everything tightly rolled up. This makes it super easy to toss on your back and carry it wherever. I've already taken it to the beach, I've taken it to the park, just a quick weekend trip. No stress, no bulky gear, just pull it out, unroll it, and you're ready to train. In fact, studies show people are way more likely to stick with workouts when their gear is travel friendly, and this mat fits the bill. It's one of those grab and go tools that makes consistency easier. The original crossover mat, while it's a great mat and I did a great review about it, check it out in the links below, it's kind of big. Carrying it around can kind of be just inconvenient when you're carrying it to the park. It's just so big that you just feel awkward carrying it down the street. This mat is barely noticeable. You will have to stare at me to know that I'm carrying it on my back. Before we dive into the next tip, I've got something that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. My book, Jump Into Fitness, is the ultimate guide to transforming your body and mastering the art of jumping rope. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skill, this book will teach you everything you need to know about jumping rope the right way and get real results. Ready to revolutionize your workout? Grab a copy below and start your transformation today. Okay, this thing isn't perfect because it's compact. The surface area is obviously smaller than the regular mat. So if you're into advanced moves like 360s or freestyle footwork that has you traveling a bit, you'll need to stay centered, and if you're doing push-ups or bodyweight work, you're gonna wish you had a little bit more room to stretch out. But here's the thing, it's not trying to be a full workout mat. The purpose is built for jump rope sessions on the go, and for that, it does its job very well. So this is just my first impression. I'll come with a more in-depth review later on, but here's the bottom line. If you're someone who travels a lot, jump rope outdoors, or just wants a compact setup at home, this mat is worth it. It protects your rope, cushions your joints, and rolls up smaller than a hoodie. I'm going to keep using it and testing it out in different spots. If you want to know how it holds up over time or how it compares to full-size mats, I'll keep you posted. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and make sure to subscribe if you want more jump rope gear reviews. And if you want to learn more about how to get in shape with the jump rope, like my secret technique that'll get you in shape faster, check this video out right here. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.